Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Schooling Street. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can take screenshot in Windows 10. I will show you how you can take screenshot in Windows 10 without any third-party app. Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Let's start. First of all, you need to click on notification area or notification sign at the right bottom side of your desktop. Click on it. After this, you need to click on screen snip. After clicking on it, you will see the screen has been captured. I want to show I want to show you a screenshot of my YouTube page. Here I open my YouTube channel. After YouTube channel opening, now I take screenshot. Click on icon, click on screen snip, take screenshot of your desired window snip, full screen, or choose where you want. I'll choose full screen. Full screen taken. Now, this is the screenshot of your desktop or of your app that has been captured now. Click on it. After this, you will see this option. Here you need to do anything what you want. You can do a lot of things. For example, you can write with your touch finger if your laptop is touchscreen or you are using tablet. If your system or your laptop is not touchscreen, you need to select ballpoint pen. After selecting this, you can also change the color. Click on it. From here, pick any color. Again, click on it. You can also decrease or increase size. After this, you can write anything or you can draw anything on your screenshot. Next option is pencil. This means you can also choose pencil as a writer. Select this. Now you can see this is the pencil type. The next option is highlighter. You can highlight anything in your screenshot. For example, I highlight Schooling Street. Similarly, you can highlight anything what you want on your screenshot, right? Next option is eraser. Mean to say you can also erase anything that you have changed or that you have write or that you draw. Click on eraser, click on it and everything has been erased. Now see, I draw something here. For example, this and this. Now click on erase and select that you want to be erased. One by one. What you want to erase, you can easily remove that one. Next one is ruler. Mean to say you can also check out the size or anything else. You can also use protector from the same option. If you want to remove this, again select on protector. Next option is crop. You can also crop this picture, this image where you want. For example, from here and from here to till this one. Now you can see the picture has been cropped. Just select on apply button. Now has been cropped. These are the basic settings in screenshot. You can also save this one or share it or copy. Share, copy or save as. I want to save this, click on it. From here, select the destination folder. In my case, desktop, I write SS. Let's type PNG, JPG or GIF. What you want, you can select. After this, click on save button. You can see on my desktop here the screenshot has been saved. You can use this where you want. You can see this image and this picture screenshot taken is in high quality. Everything is clear, nothing is blur in the picture. Similarly, you can check out or you can take screenshot in Windows 10 without any third party app. But if you want to use third party app, I recommend you to use screenshot Lightshot. Here is website Lightshot. Search in Google and the first option is app.printscreen.com. app.printscreen.com. This is the lightest and best ever screenshot application. In this application, you can use your text or anything else, arrows, rectangles, what you want, you can use. I have installed this app. Let's see. Here's the application. If you press print screen button on your keyboard, it will activate. Or you can simply click on it. I click on it. Now you can see you have to select the area. So I select only this one. After this, you can see a lot of options here. You can draw anything. You can use lines. You can use arrows. You can also use rectangles, and you can also write anything that you want. Text and schooling street. SCHWLINGSTRWT. Similarly, you can use anything from the given options. You can also use marker or anything else that you want. Similarly, you can also save this, share this, or upload to printscreen.com. I save this one, select destination folder and save. Now screenshot 1 saved. This is the screenshot. Similarly, you can use any of given apps. I recommend you to use Windows pre-built-in app, which is faster, more reliable, and secure. Screenshot Lightshot is also secure. You can also use this one if you want to write text on your screenshot. These are the two simplest methods. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Please thumb up and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.